I'm going to make a table with the help of this graph. We have two countries, country X, country Y, producing two goods, that is food, clothes. According to the given situation, country X is producing 40 units of food and 40 units of clothes. However, country Y is producing 30 units of clothes and 10 units of clothes, 30 units of food and 10 units of clothes. So the world before specialization, the world is getting 70 units of food and 50 units of clothing. According to David Ricardo, the countries should analyze in which good they have opportunity cost advantage. To calculate their comparative advantage, now we have to calculate the opportunity cost ratios, because in absolute advantage there is no calculation of opportunity cost ratio is required, because as I told you, in absolute advantage it is cost based advantage, it has nothing to do with opportunity cost. However, comparative advantage theory supports the specialization on the basis of opportunity cost. If we look at it, if we look at the calculations, now we have to calculate the opportunity cost ratio. Opportunity cost ratio, country X of producing one food equals to one cloth. However, country Y, one food equals to 0.3 clothes. Country X, one cloth equals to one food. Country Y, one food equals to 3 clothes. So by looking at this opportunity cost ratios, we can easily find out that country X is comparatively better in production of food and country X is better in the production of cloth. Am I right? Country X, one food, one cloth. Country Y, one food, 0.3 cloth. It means comparative advantage.